Hello everyone, welcome to day 1 of our 30 day spoken English course. I am your mentor and I am here to help you speak English easily and confidently. Whether you are a student, a job seeker, or just someone who wants to improve English speaking, you are in the right place. Let's start from the very beginning with greetings and how to introduce yourself. English is not just a subject, it's a skill used in jobs, travel, online, and in daily life. Imagine someone says, "Hello, how are you?" And you can confidently reply, "I am fine, thank you." That's the power of spoken English, and we will build that power together over the next 30 days. Let's learn some basic greetings. Hello, hello. Good morning, সুপ্রভাত. Good afternoon, শুভ অপরাহ্ন. Good evening, শুভ সন্ধ্যা. How are you? আপনি কেমন আছেন? I am fine, thank you. আমি ভালো আছি, ধন্যবাদ. Nice to meet you. আপনাকে পেয়ে ভালো লাগলো. Now let's learn how to introduce yourself in English. Hello, my name is your name. I am from your city. I am is yours old. I am a student, job seeker, housewife, etc. I want to learn English to speak confidently. Example: Hello, my name is Rupa. I am from Dhaka. I am 25 years old. I am a student. I want to learn English to speak confidently. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try saying it. Now it's time for your homework. Write your self introduction into the comment section below. Practice the greetings with two friends or family members. Don't be shy. Practicing out loud is the best way to learn. That's all for day 1. In day 2, we will talk about your daily routine in English, something you use every day. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who also wants to learn English. Let's speak English together every day, one step at a time. See you tomorrow. Bye.